All right. I hope my screen is visible with you. Can you
Yeah.
see the screen? Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're going to continue with the series, and today we will going to do paper two, and that will be the set two. So this is the set
Yeah.
two, paper two of
Yeah.
AASL. All right. So here we go. The first question from the section A, based on probability.
Mhm.
We have PA given, PB given, PA intersection B given, PA union B given. We are looking for the value of Q. So I hope you know the formula how to connect all these things. Basically, PA union B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. This is the formula to connect union and intersection along with individual probabilities. We have PA union B, PA, PB minus PA intersection B. It is 0.65 K plus 2K. It'd be 3K minus 4K square plus 0.11. Putting all the terms on the same side, 4K square minus 3K, 0.65. This is paper 2, so GDC is allowed, by the way. You can use the GDC. This is paper 2. That will be plus 0.54. So what I got, this is the quadratic equation. I can use my GDC to solve this quadratic equation. What I'm getting K as 0.45 or A as 0.3 from GDC.
Yeah.
Now, I'll check which one is valid. So I'll substitute K to 0.45 in PA intersection B, which is 4 times K square minus 0.11, which I'm getting 0.7. Now if you see 0.7, that is 70%, which is greater than PA, which is K. K is 0.45. It means that PA intersection B is greater than PB, which is not possible. This is not possible. Hence, K is equal to 0.3 is my answer. If you put K is equal to 0.3, then your PA intersection B would be 0.25, which is less than PA or even PB. So this 0.45K value is not possible. What is the value of K? So K value is 0.3.
Yeah, I'm done.
Coming to the next question. Number 2. The function f is defined. Fx sine bracket x square ln 1.5 minus x bracket close plus 2 bracket close plus x cube. The x value would be from negative 1.3 to positive 1.3. The graph is shown in the following diagram. The graph of f intersects x-axis at point A and has local maximum at point B. Find the coordinate of A and B. Find the total area by the graph from the x-axis negative 1.3 to positive 1.3. What you can do? Use your GDC and draw the given graph. Use your GDC and draw the your given graph. So I got the answer. I got the coordinate x coordinate of A. So x coordinate of A is equal to negative 0.8179. So I write 818. This is negative 0.818. And x coordinate of B is equal to 1.116. So this is 1.12. Now to find the area of this graph, I'll find the area from here to point A and then point A to 1.3. So for area, I'll use negative 1.3 to positive 1.3 fx dx. I'll take first negative outside because my area this side is below the x-axis. So from 1.3 to A, this is negative 0.818 fx dx plus I'll put negative 0.818 to 1.3 fx dx. So the first part area is 0.5763 plus the next part area would be 2.330. The total area we are getting as approximately 2.91. This is the total area we are getting. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Going to question number 3. Read the question carefully. So population model is given to me. PT is equal to 10 e raised to the power kt, and the value of the k is less than 1, greater than 0. T should be greater than equal to 0. So started at 14 March 1973, and we are now on 14 March 1993. The population is 50. So how many years? 20 years. In 20 years, the population is 50. So it would be 10 times e raised to the power 20k. That is equal to 50. How do I get the k value? The k value would be using the n solver. Using the n solver, we are getting the k value 0.08047. Use the model to estimate the population 14 March 2023. From 1973 to 2023. How many years? 73 to 83, 83 to 93, 2003, 2013, 2023. 50 years. So we are looking for what is the population after 50 years. What is the K value? 0.08047 multiplied with 50. It is showing in the calculator 558.964, which I can write approximately 559 birds. 559 birds. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
In fact, the non-population of bird on 14th March 2023 was 502. The new model is proposed in which the population on March 14, 1973 was 10. The population on March 14, 2023 was 502. The population increased at the constant rate R% per year. Find the value of R. So what we can use here, the formula for future value. Future value is equal to present value 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power time. The future value is 502. Present value was 10. 1 plus R is missing. Raised to the power, how many times? 50. This will going to give me the R value. Again, use the AND solver. What it is? It is approximately 8.15%. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Come to number 4 from binomial theorem. Consider the expansion x plus a raised to the power 7 upon bx, where a greater than 0. The coefficient of term in x raised to the power 5 is 2, and the coefficient of term in x raised to the power cube is 1690. Find the value of a and b. All right, let's consider the expansion. It is x plus a raised to the power 7 upon bx. Since in denominator we already have x, therefore for x raised to the power 5 we find x raised to the power 6, and for x raised to the power 3 we find x raised to the power 4. So I need to increase my power for the numerator, because I'll automatically divide that with x of the denominator, which will make it the power that it wants. So term having x raised to the power 6 would be 7c6 x raised to the power 6 a raised to the power 7 minus 6, which is 1. What is 7c6? 7c6 would be 7. Term having x raised to the power 4 would be 7c4 x raised to the power 4 a raised to the power 7 minus 4, which is 3. What is 7c4? If you find 7c4, 7c4 is 35. X raised to the power 4 A cubed. Now, what I'm talking about dividing. Dividing both terms by bx. So 7x raised to the power 6a over bx would be 7x power 5 a upon b. And 35x power 4a cube divided by bx will become 35x cube a cube upon b. Now we have given the coefficient of x raised to the power 5, 2, and x cube as 1690. So equating with even coefficients, 7x power 5 coefficient is 7a over b, and that is equal to 2. So what I'm getting, 7a is equal to 2b. And x cube coefficient, so that is 35 a cube over b is equal to 1690. So 35 a cube is equal to 1690 times b. Do we reach anywhere? Let's divide. Divide 2 by 1. Maybe we get something. 35a cube upon 7a equal to 1690b over 2b. B cancel. 7, 5. So it is 5a square is equal to 2 times 8, 2 times 4, and 5. So a square is this divided by 5. 5 times 1, 34. 5 times 6, 34. 5 times 9. So a square is equal to 169. It means a would be what? Plus minus 13. A is plus minus 13. But if you read the question carefully, this should only take a value should be greater than 0. Therefore, a should be greater than 0. Hence, a is equal to 13. How to find b? We have relations between a and b. That is 7a is equal to 2b. Therefore, 7 times 13, 2 times b. So b would be 7 times 13 divided by 2, which is 91 over 2, comes out 45.5.
Uh, can you tell me how you got the 7a divided by b equals 2?
This one.
Yeah,
Because what is the term having x raised to the power 6? That is 7c6 x raised to the power 6a. Use the formula tr plus 1 7cr x raised to the power r b raised to the power 7 minus r. Right. This is I
yeah,
use the formula. But if you see, I just not need to expand. I also need to divide that expansion with bx. So every term is divided by bx.
yeah,
So x raised to the power 6 term is 7x raised to the power 6a. That will be divided by bx. So x cancel. So it will be 7x raised to the power 5 a upon b. Now, we have given the coefficient of x raised to the power 5. So what is the coefficient of x raised to the power 5 here? The coefficient would be 7a upon b. I not need to notice x raised to the power 5 then, because I have given value for 7a upon b. This is the coefficient of x raised to the power 5, isn't it? The
yeah,
coefficient of x raised to the power 5 is 7a upon b. So that 7a upon b is equated with given value 2. And I did the cross multiplication. So 7a is equal to 2b. Similarly, the other term divided by bx got this, and we have the coefficient of x cube. What is the coefficient of x cube? Here it is 35a cube over b. This is the coefficient 35a cube over b. That is